start.
Good morning, students of class 8A. Today we are going to study the chapter Formatting Websites using CSS3 of chapter number 6 of computer, and these are the topics that we are going to cover, that is working with CSS background images and working with CSS list styles. Have already created an HTML web page. Here I have written HTML code, HTML tag, then I have written head tag, then body, and inside body tag I have written h1. It's for heading. Then there is a paragraph. This p tag is for paragraph, and I have closed it as well. Then there is a body closing tag and HTML closing tag. After that, the page will look like this. Like this. Now what I want is that I just want to include a background image. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will just go at my HTML page, and inside head tag I will write here a tag that is called style tag. This style tag is used for including CSS properties. So what I want is that I just want to include an image at the background, and if I want to include an image, so where I will include the image? At the body, because this window, this white color window is said to be a body tag. So you have, what you have to do is just you have to write here body, and then you have to just start the curly braces and end with that. Inside it, what you will write here, you will write background image, and you have to separate these two words with dash, and after that you have to apply colon here, and then you will write URL. URL is for writing the location, and you will end with a semicolon. Inside this you will write double inverted commas, and then you will write here the address of the image that you want to include at the background. So I just want to include this image at the background. So what I will write here, health is wealth, as it is the name of the image, and after that I will write the extension of the image, that is .jpg. Now I am saving this file. Now I am coming over the my web page. Now I will reload this web page, and this is how the image will appear at the background. So there is a problem, that is the image is repeating itself. So what I have to do is just not to repeat this image. So for that what I will do, I will just write here, after this background image I will write here background repeat, and I will write no dash repeat. There is no space that you will write here. You will replace the space by dash. Now save it. When you will reload this web page, what will happen? Only single image will appear. It will not be repeated now. So it is looking good, but not that much. So what you want, this image you want to include at the center. So you want to change the position of the image. For that what you will write here, background, then you will write here position, semicolon, then you will write here center, and the spelling of the center will be CENTER. Then you will apply semicolon here, save it. When you will reload your page, it will appear at the center. And one more thing you can do, just you can write here center, then you can write here bottom. It will appear at the center as well as at the bottom. Now see, when you will refresh the page, it is somewhere looking like this. It is at the center but at the bottom as well. So this is what we want to include. Other than this, I can include the background at the paragraph tag as well. So what I can do, just I can include a background at good health is a bliss. Okay, so
for that, what you have to do, you just have to click here and you have to write here P. P stands for paragraph tag, and here inside the paragraph tag, what you will write, you will just write background image as same as you have written at above. Then you will write here the URL of the background image that you want to include. I just want to include this image, this background image. So what I will write here, background, and let's see what is the extension of this image. This is JPG. Now right here inside your inverted commas, background dot jpg. Now save it and refresh it. This is how the image will appear at the background of the paragraph. So the next topic is working with CSS list styles. So you want to include some list here. So what you can do, I'm just writing here, I'm just deleting these all things so that you will understand it better way. Now I want to include a list, and the list is unordered list. For that, what you will write here, UL. UL stands for unordered list, and you will close it as well. After that, inside unordered list, you will write here LI. LI stands for list item. In whatever the items you want to include inside the list, you will write LI. And here I am writing some fruits name, apple. Close it as like that. I'm just copying it, then paste. Okay, so update this, mango, then save it. Now it will something look like this. What is called unordered list, there is a bulleted point that is showing here. It means it is not in order. That's why it is said to be unordered list. Now what I want is that these bullet points are circular in shape, and I just want to change the style of the bullet. I just want a square bullet point. So for that, what I will do, I will just write here inside the style tag, I will write here UL. UL for changing the styling inside the unordered list. So that's why I have written here UL. After that, what I will write here, I will write here list style, then type. I am going to change the type, that's why I have written here square and semicolon. Save it. Now when you will reload your page, and it will convert into squares. Next, what you have to do is, I just want to include an image rather than these squares that are given here. So what can I do? I can update from here only. I will just write here list style image, and I will write here URL, and I will write here the name of the image, and let's see what is the extension that is given here for the image, PNG. So write here PNG. Save it, and when you will refresh it, this is how image will appear in the place of the bullet points that were given there. That's all for today. Thank you.
That's all about the today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.